another job opportunity. This opportunity is with Colgate company, and this vacancy is for CA, ICWA, CIMA, or any other equivalent degree. This Colgate, so Colgate Palmolive is a company which is American multinational consumer products company. It is into consumer products, and its headquarters is in Park Avenue in Midtown, Manhattan, New York. So Colgate operates in various countries. This job opportunity which we are going to discuss is for definitely for India, Mumbai location, and please don't skip this video and watch properly to understand the job opportunity in detail. Job opportunity is with Colgate Palmolive company, and the job title they have mentioned is supply chain finance analyst. They have further given some details that travel required, no travel. They have posted these on 28 May 2021. They have mentioned that remote working option is available during the current situation, and relocation assistance offered within the country. Now Mumbai is the location, Maharashtra they have mentioned, right? And roles and responsibilities: the supply chain finance analyst is responsible for activities in cost and inventory and fixed assets. So this is the key role which you will be playing in that field. And responsibilities they have mentioned, these are include, but they are not limited to. So they further expect some responsibilities which you will be carrying out during your job profile with them. Now they have mentioned experience is about 6+ years of experience in supply chain finance. Qualification they have mentioned ICWA, CA, CIMA, or other equivalent. They have mentioned about Colgate that Colgate is an equal opportunity employer, and why it is so. Then you can actually read all these things so that you can understand in more detail. They have mentioned that you can apply online and attach all relevant documents such as cover letter, resume, or CV, and applications received by email are not considered in selection process. So you have to apply it from here only, right? You can go on this website, click here and read about more about them. Further, if you want to apply for this job, then definitely you have to click here, right? And thereafter you can upload your CV. You can give the details which are required by them. You can upload all those details, and so definitely this will help you. And you can click here by apply now. So friends, this type of videos we keep on bringing on our YouTube channel. We hope that you people have subscribed to our YouTube channel, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to it so that you will be updated on daily basis whatever job opportunities we share. We share job opportunities for chartered accountants, for company secretary, for ICWA, for CIMA, and for graduates also. And please like and share our videos. Support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and please share it with your friends and group circles. Thank you.